Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to reuse this old shampoo bottle and help save our environment by converting this into a dishwashing soap dispenser. First, let's remove this original packaging. You can see it's already empty. I already washed it. Now let's put some dishwashing liquid in here. Let's put something like up to here, maybe. Now I don't want it to be too much concentrated. Okay, let's go with this. Then let's add some water just to dilute it so that it could last longer. The mixture or the ratio is basically up to you. And then get something like a wooden stick or metal stick and then mix it. Okay. Now we have a dishwashing soap dispenser, which is our own little way of helping the environment rather than these things ending up in the dump site. If you wish to label it, it's up to you. I mean, sometimes you are going to put a yellow dishwashing liquid. It may look like a cooking oil, but if you have something or some label in it, people at your home would understand that it's not a cooking oil. Okay? So that's it. I hope you like the idea and hope to see you again on our next video. Bye.